Alright, quick sound check on the DSL15 head. Playing through a Celestion G12S-50 speaker open back. It's built into the Peavey combo here. I'm going to activate and deactivate the boost switch. I have the guitar plugged in, volume's all the way open. You can hear there's just the slightest amount of like functional hum right there. Switch out. Switch in. Out. And in. So it doesn't really add any hum or any buzzing. What it does is the slight amount of sound that you can hear just gets deeper sounding.